Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to make a greeting card for Mother's Day using white A4 paper. First take the paper and fold it into half. Then using a circular lid and a ball pen draw a circle. Next using ruler draw lines as shown. Here I have cut out a small heart. I am going to use this to make hearts on the paper. Next I have cut out a little smaller heart, and in the same way I am going to make hearts on the paper. I am going to color this using purple color sketch. You can also use any other color of your choice. Then I am adding dots on the paper. Next we can write our message inside the card. Here I am writing, I can't believe how lucky I am to have you as my mom. I love you more than words can say. And finally I am going to write Happy Mother's Day at the bottom. Finally, I am going to add dots all around the card. And write Happy Mother's Day in front. And a cute and easy greeting card for Mother's Day is now ready. So I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.